Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to unbox and give first impression on our August company. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, you've definitely come to the right channel. So today we're going to be taking a look, first impression, unboxing our company for August. Now, this company, I randomly found this company. I found them on Etsy. At the time that I made the purchase, they only had 25 sales. Now, I didn't go back and see how long they've been on Etsy, but they only had 25 sales. I pulled it back up because I ordered this about 2 weeks ago, and maybe 3. And so I pulled it back up before doing this video. They still only have 26 sales. They have 7 reviews. I didn't read the reviews. They have 7 reviews, but they have 5 stars. So I got an oil and a balm or a butter. They only have those 2 items. Didn't see anything about scent profiles, none of that. They're based out of Minnesota, and the name is Old Dog Beard Oils. And I see a problem already. Their label is spelled incorrectly. Let me cover up my stuff. But their label says Old Dog Bread Oils on their return label. So, not a big deal, but there's that. But it's Old Dog Beard Oils. So, let's get into this. You know what? We're going with the knife. Let's pull out the Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker. And we're going to go with the small blade here. Let's just go across. And let's see what we got. Let's hope this one didn't melt like the last one and transport out here. I did put it in the fridge. I put it in the fridge the day we got it and turned around and put it back in the fridge yesterday because I was doing this video today. So, Old Dog Beard Balm. All right, so let's see if it'll focus. There's that. There's the label. And let's see, ingredients. Shea butter, beeswax, hemp seed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, coconut fragrance oil, made in Branham, Minnesota. So let's get this. I did not, like I said, I didn't see anything about scent profiles. These were the only 2 products they had. They were $15 a piece. So $15 for this balm, $15 for the oil. It took 3 days to get to my house. I'll say that. I ordered it, I think I ordered it late one night. And in 3 days, it was at my house. So, let's see what we got here. All right, so it did melt at some point, whether it was in transit or whatever. You get a little bit of the carrier. A little bit of like the beeswax kind of carrier blend. But it smells good. Smells good. I'm not going to dip into it because we're going to save that first day of August. All right, so now let's check out the oil. Nothing else in the mailer. This was bubble wrapped. The balm was shrink wrapped. So there's that. So initial impression on shipping. It looks really good. Shipping was fast. So that tells me that they had it in stock. And it appears that our beard oil did leak. So we got a little oily bottle here, but it's an amber glass bottle with a dropper top. Ingredients on this: hemp seed oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, fragrance oils, and again, made in Branham, Minnesota. The bottle has nothing about the scent, none of that. So let me dig around and see if I have anything in my bag that I can wipe this. Use this rag here. Let's see if we can clean it off enough that we can open it without making a huge mess. All right, so it appears that it leaked. I don't know if it leaked out of the dropper top or, because it definitely wasn't the balm that leaked. It melted, but it wouldn't have made it through that bubble wrap. Let's get this shrink wrap off. Shrink wrap goes all the way up. One thing that I would suggest, and I suggest this to every company, do more. Shrink wrap's not going to 100% stop leakage. Do more when it comes to stopping that and preventing that leak, which can be anything from a Ziploc bag to tape, taping the lid shut. All that kind of stuff can help. I've had companies in the past do saran wrap. There's a lot of different things you can do to prevent that from leaking. So, all right, so now that we got our bottle wiped off, so pretty clear oil. I mean, I can pretty much see through it. And our lid opens pretty easy, which tells me that it probably leaked through the lid. So, old dog beards, beard oils, check your lids before you ship, just to double check. Let's see, kind of a yellow hue, but pretty clear. Oh man. That is leading notes that I get is tobacco. You know me, if you watch this channel, I love tobacco scents. And there's something on the back end. I can't tell what it is, but it's more than tobacco, and it's not a tobacco vanilla. There's something else back there that's intriguing. So we're going to use this for an entire month, come back and give you more thoughts on, because they're Etsy and they're not a website, I'm going to critique kind of their description, kind of their layout, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to critique their labels, all that fun stuff at the end of the month. So I'm going to use them for a month. Again, they've had 26 sales. Each of these are $15 a piece. It ran me with shipping about $37 for this balm and oil. And go check them out. I'll have a link to them in the description over on Etsy. You can go check them out on Etsy and see what you think. At least check them out and see. And I'm going to start using this tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. So unless I come to you between now and the end of the month, we're having no problems, but I'll break it down and give you a full review at the end of August. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the comments. Have you ever bought beard products off of Etsy? That's my question. That's today's question. Have you ever purchased beard products off of Etsy? And that can be anything from oils, balms, butters, washes, soaps, any of that kind of stuff for your beard. What have you ever bought anything specifically for your beard from Etsy? If you have, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. I'll catch you over on go catch me on the, my mind just went blank, on the podcast on Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you then. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.